What is up, YouTube? Today, as you guys can see, we have this Camaro 2018 ZL1. And for those people that know a little bit about cars, y'all know this is the supercharged Corvette that comes with the LT4. Same one that you will find in CTSVs, same one you will find in Corvette Z06s, in a Camaro. Man, so I believe this engine makes 650 to the wheel. I might be wrong, but somewhere around there. But yeah, just a quick walk around. So first of all, obviously I don't think this was a GM color. This has been wrapped in olive green. The front end on these cars is just so aggressive. One neat little thing, I guess, just for to be able to suck more air in, they hollow out the Chevrolet emblem. Then you got the front lip and everything. I believe this is all stock, just a bunch of like sharp angles. You got the hood. Man, this hood is amazing. So you obviously got the ZL1 right there. It is actually carbon fiber, as you guys can see, to be able to fit that blower under there. I'll open the hood here in a little bit. But yeah, just so many sharp angles in the front. I think that's what makes this car just look so aggressive from the front. But yeah, you got some big Brembos, because you need it on these. You got the nice little side skirt on the side, and in the back, of course, you have Brembos as well. If you have that much horsepower, you need the stopping power as well. You need to be able to stop as fast as you accelerate. And then again, you got this little wing in the back. Like I said, just so many sharp angles that this just flows with this body line right here. And on this one, we have a Corsa exhaust. This thing is loud. And then obviously you got another ZL1 batch right there. In the interior, this does not disappoint at all either. It's got this nice little suede right here. I think it's Alcantara. I don't want to give you guys the wrong information, but I believe it is. You got the Bose sound system. You got the 3 pedals down there. Obviously this comes with the 6-speed. These seats, man, Recaro ZL1 seats. I know these are not cheap. And then you got this red stitching that just follows everywhere. Nice little touch. And you have ambient lighting right here as well. But sitting inside the car, you got another ZL1 logo right there. Got the ZL1 right here, 6-speed, 200 on the dash. But yeah, you got more ambient lighting right here. And like I said, apart, I believe the Camaros don't, I mean the SS's don't have this like suede finish right here. They might, probably like the upper trims. But yeah, this is the stock color. I don't know, in my opinion, this olive green fits this vehicle quite well. It's just a mean machine. But yeah, the reason it ended up here at my shop, another shop did long tube headers on it. Let me see if I can open this with one hand. Man, there we go. But yeah, this is the heart and soul of this car, supercharged LT4. But yeah, so they had done long tube headers at another shop. I don't know where or anything, but they left some bolts loose, and it was leaking from the back. So I just replaced the gasket and replaced the bolts. You know, can't go wrong with that. I don't want to replace the bolts, and you know, it's the gasket that was bad. I don't want to replace the gasket and then the bolts weren't good. So, you know, save ourselves the trouble, do the job once, customer is happy, have it done in one day. But yeah, as you guys can see, got the red, what brand are these? Speed Engineering. So I'm assuming that's where he got the headers from as well. Speed Engineering. I have bought parts from there, from them before. Pretty good parts, to be honest. But let me start this thing for y'all so you guys can hear just how loud this is. Hopefully this picks up the exhaust sound pretty well. Yeah, I think that's enough. I don't want to make the neighbors mad. But yeah, so before, if you guys are familiar with an exhaust leak, it's just like a ticking sound, which is coming from this area. So now, I don't know if the camera is catching it, but you do hear a little clicking. That's the injectors working. The clicking that I had before was completely different. But yeah, got that figured out, got that ready. Located in Louisville, Kentucky. If you guys need any performance work, any automotive work, customization or anything, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you guys. But yeah, that wraps it up for this video.